What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get these beautiful curls on my straight hair using Flexi Rods. I've had a lot of people ask me how I get these curls, so I'm gonna make a video on it. If you would like to see how I get these curls, continue watching.
To achieve this look, you're gonna need Flexi Rods. I'm using 3 different Flexi Rods. You don't have to use 3 different ones. I don't always use 3 different sizes, but I am today. And I have a lot of them actually because I have really long hair, like it's sitting in my lap. But you don't have to always use a lot. You're also gonna need a brush to detangle your hair. You're gonna need a scrunchie, and you're gonna need a spray bottle filled with water. My spray bottle has water, and it has a oil in it just to keep my hair shiny when I take the rollers out. But you don't have to use the oil. The first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to split my hair in half, and I'm gonna put one side up. The first thing I do is detangle my hair. I don't want to have a hard time taking my Flexi Rods out if it's matted up or anything, so I just start detangling it. And I always detangle from the ends of my hair, never from the roots. Just like that. And then I'm going to take about an inch from the bottom, about that much. And I'm going to put the rest of it out the way. You're going to take your spray bottle, and you're just going to damp your hair. Do not wet it completely. Like, it should not be dripping with water. You just want to 3 sprays max. Just damp it. I'm going to take one of the smaller Flexi Rods, and I'm going to wrap it from the back. I'm going to get close so you can see. And I'm going to wrap. You're going to wrap and try to make sure there's no space in between. Just like that. You want to wrap it really, really tight. All the way to the bottom. Still keeping, closing up, making sure there's no gaps. Just like that. When you get to the end, I hold my ends. Sometimes I spray my ends if I feel like they're really dry, and this one does feel really dry, so I'm just going to spray my end. You want to hold on to your end. Make sure it does not unravel. That's very important. Make sure that your ends do not unravel in your Flexi Rods, and you just want to wrap it around until it's secure. Just like that. Make sure it's secure. I'm going to do that again. Inch. I'm actually going to start taking some bigger pieces because my hair is going to be huge. If I continue to take like really small sections, it's going to be huge. Just going to run my comb through it. The spray. Grab your Flexi Rod. I'm using yellow now. And you don't want to wrap it flat either, like this. You want to twist it on there. You want to twist and make sure you're keeping that gap tight. Got a big gap in there, but I mean, having a gap isn't going to cause your curls to look any different, but I figure, but they're a lot more uniform when there's no gap. And I wrap it, just like that. Now I'm going to continue this, and I'm going to show you again when I get to the top.
this Flexi Rod, wrap it from the back.
Just like that. I feel a little dry. Wrap it. And that's that. I'm just gonna spray my hair again with water all over. Usually I would sit under the dryer for about 15-20 minutes, but because it's like 2 a.m. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to tie down my hair and put my bonnet on, and I will show you how this comes out in the morning.
Hey guys, so it is the next morning, and I just finished my makeup. I'm gonna take these down now, because I don't just snatch them out, I unravel them. Like, I start from the end and I unravel them. I don't just, like, you know, snatch them out like that. I like to unravel them from the end. I'm gonna pull on it just like that, and that's it. That's all I do.
Sometimes I would shake my hair, but I'm not gonna shake it today. I'm just going to actually just run my fingers through it. I'm adding a little olive oil to my hands, to my fingertips, and I'm just gonna actually use my nails and just come through it, like maybe 2 or 3 times, because I don't want to pull them all the way out yet. Maybe 2 or 3 times max. And then I'll pull the bottoms apart. Look at that curl, y'all. God. Oh my God. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more hair tutorials, I will. Just let me know down below in the comment section. I really love how it turned out, but I have to get ready for class, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.